What a difference a day makes. This has really gone down now. Unbelievable, the difference. Devastation that's left there. Look at the trees. Some massive trees there just been uprooted and dropped. Loads of debris stuck in the wedged in the bridge last night, so it definitely was right up to the top of that bridge, and all this was flooded right up to the banking over there. I mean, it was level without banking, literally all the way around. And the trees that have been uprooted, I mean, I'm going to go and check that tree out over there and give you. There's loads of them. I mean, the force of the water, it's just scoured the bank. Unbelievable. I mean, I reckon there was a tree there. A few roots left. Big root ball that is. Another one. The field's just littered with them. All the limbs have just been ripped off this one. The force of the water last night.